Conquer any terrain with confidence on this rugged, high-performance ride. The best fat tire electric bike offers unbeatable stability, power, and comfort perfect for sand, snow, or trails. Ride farther, ride stronger, and redefine your off-road adventures. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Tudio Soleil 01 Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Tudio Soleil 01 Fat Tire Electric Bike is a true powerhouse, designed for thrill seekers and off-road adventurers. Its 2,000-watt brushless motor delivers impressive acceleration and a top speed of 34 miles per hour, making it ideal for conquering rugged trails and steep inclines. Backed by a 48-volt, 21-amp-hour lithium battery, it offers a range of 35 to 43 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and riding style. The all-aluminum forged frame adds durability without compromising on aesthetics, while high-density anti-slip seating ensures comfort for riders up to 265 pounds. With 3 speed modes, 15, 22, and 34 miles per hour, you can tailor the ride to your experience level or terrain demands. The bike's hydraulic front suspension and air spring rear shock absorber smooth out bumps, while hydraulic brakes provide reliable stopping power. Fat 14 front and 12 rear tires grip confidently across sand, gravel, and dirt. Designed for teens and adults, this electric dirt bike strikes a balance between performance and safety, with responsive controls and rugged build quality. Whether you're tearing through forest trails or cruising backcountry roads, the Tudio Soleil 01 delivers an exhilarating ride with enough battery life to go the distance. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a high-speed, high-adrenaline fat tire electric bike. Number 2. Ridstar Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Ridstar Fat Tire Electric Bike blends sporty design with serious performance to create a standout option for adults seeking adventure and style. Its unique appearance, highlighted by a bold headlight and hollowed-out bracket, immediately catches attention, while also serving functional safety purposes. Underneath the sleek exterior is a powerful 1,500-watt high-speed motor, capable of reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour, ideal for both daily commutes and mountain rides. Paired with the removable 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery, this bike delivers long-lasting performance with a charging time of 6 to 8 hours. Its 20x4 puncture-resistant fat tires and dual hydraulic disc brakes ensure a stable, safe ride across diverse terrain from sand, snow, to rocky trails. The inclusion of a Shimano 7-speed transmission and both front and rear suspension allows for smooth gear changes and enhanced comfort on uneven surfaces. Whether tackling rough mountain paths or cruising city streets, the Ridstar bike amps seamlessly with its 3 versatile riding modes. Built for safety and fun, it balances sleek urban style with rugged outdoor capability. It's a dependable, head-turning fat tire electric bike that appeals to riders who value both aesthetics and adventure-ready engineering. Number 3. Ridstar Q20 Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Ridstar Q20 Fat Tire Electric Bike offers a perfect blend of futuristic style, comfort, and power for riders who want more out of their cycling experience. Its imaginative design, highlighted by a prominent headlight and reinforced frame features, makes it not just a bike, but a statement piece. Equipped with a powerful 1,500-watt brushless hub motor, the Q20 reaches speeds up to 33 miles per hour and tackles 35-degree inclines with ease, great for mountain climbs and urban hills alike. The 48-volt, 20-amp-hour UL-certified battery charges in just 4 to 6 hours and offers an impressive 35 miles in electric-only mode and up to 80 miles with pedal assist. Riders enjoy superior comfort thanks to full suspension, a strong front fork, seat shock absorption, and puncture-resistant 20x4 fat tires. Safety is prioritized with hydraulic dual-disc brakes and an advanced EBS system for quicker stops, even on slick terrain. It supports 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and normal biking, so users can adapt power use depending on distance or terrain. Extras like a 7.2-inch phone holder and spacious storage box add daily practicality. The Q20 is more than just a fat tire electric bike. It's a long-range, high-comfort, adventure-ready ride that balances tech, power, and visual flair.
Number 4. TST Electric Bike for Adult. The TST electric bike for adult is engineered for all-terrain performance and comfortable long-distance rides. Powered by a 1500-watt peak motor and generating 90 Nm of torque, this fat tire electric bike can conquer 35-degree slopes with ease, making it ideal for off-road adventures and hilly commutes. Its 20 by 4.0 fat tires provide solid traction across challenging surfaces like sand, snow, or gravel. A removable 48-volt 15Ah battery, this model also includes multiple riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and standard pedal, so riders can customize power usage to fit their journey. The extended seat and integrated rear rack offer comfort and extra utility for cargo. Whether commuting in the city or escaping into the wilderness, this bike is versatile enough to handle both. With rugged durability, smart features, and impressive power, the TST electric bike is a dependable, stylish choice for adventurous riders. Number 5. Funhang Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Funhang Fat Tire electric bike strikes an excellent balance between affordability, reliability, and off-road capability. With its 500-watt brushless motor peaking at 1,000 watts, it delivers enough power to reach up to 21.7 miles per hour, or even 25 miles per hour if you unlock the limiter, perfect for casual commuting and weekend trail riding. The 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery offers a range of up to 60 miles in pedal assist mode, or around 30 miles using pure electric power depending on terrain and rider weight. Charging takes about 6.5 hours, and the battery is removable for convenience. Whether commuting in the city or escaping into the wilderness, this bike is versatile enough to handle both. With rugged durability, smart features, and impressive power, the Funhang electric bike is a solid performer that delivers excellent value in a stylish, dependable package.